This is chapter haloalkane and haloarenes, and in the last video we have seen the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this video we are taking some more examples from haloalkanes and haloarenes, and we will try to classify them also. First example, the name is given 4-tert-butyl 3-iodoheptane. So first here heptane is the main chain. So there will be 7 carbon atoms in the long chain, and after that there will be iodine in 3 position, and in the 4th position there will be tertiary butyl group. So at first let us see what is tertiary butyl group. For tertiary butyl group, see there is 4 carbon and this carbon is 3 degree. So this group will be known as 3 degree or tertiary butyl group, and the bonding will be with this carbon. So in the 4th position I have taken the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then in 4th position there is the tertiary butyl group, and the 3 position there is iodine. So this is the structure of the name given of this compound. Now let us try to classify it. As we have discussed earlier, this will be like normal alkylic halides and which there is one halogen. So it is monohalide or alkyl halide with one halogen group. Next there is another example 1-bromo-4-sec-butyl 2-methyl benzene. So in this case benzene will be the main group. So we have written benzene, and with that there will be bromine in one position. 4th position there will be sec-butyl. Sec means secondary or 2 degree. Here sec means secondary or 2 degree. So there will be 4th position sec-butyl group, and in 2 position there will be methyl group. So since there is bromine in one position, we have written this one here. After that there will be methyl in 2 position. If this is 1, then obviously this will be 2. So in 2 there is methyl group, and this will be 3 and this will be the 4. So now the question is, where the sec-butyl group is, the number position is 4, but how the group will look like? Since it is secondary, obviously the bonding of this carbon will be with such a carbon where the carbon will be 2 degree. So we can see that in this butyl group this carbon is 2 degree carbon because it is connected with 1 and 2 carbon atom on the both side. So this is the structure of the compound named by this. And if we try to classify this one, obviously we can see that halogen is directly bonded to the benzene ring. So this one will be one aryl halide. And with the secondary butyl group we can also see that there are some other kinds of butyl groups also, like normal butyl, where the 4 butyl groups or 4 carbons are in a normal chain. So bonding will be with this carbon, and this is known as N-butyl group or normal butyl group. This is our 2 degree, this is our 3 degree, and this one is another one which is called isobutyl group. This branching where the CH, CH3, CH3, this part is present, that is called iso group, and since the number of carbon is 4, it will be isobutyl group. So this is the different types of butyl groups. Now let us take some another examples where we will write the name from the structure. So I have taken this one example. In this we can see that chlorine is present and double bond is also present. So obviously we have to go from this side 1, 2 and 3. So there will be 3 position chlorine. So 3 chloro, and in the 5 position there is one methyl group. So we have written 5 methyl, and since there are 6 carbon atoms in the long chain, here will be hex, and there is double bond between the 2 and 3 carbon. So it will be 2 in for double bond numbering, the lower number of carbon, that means C2, we have to take. So the name will be 3-chloro-5-methyl hex 2N, and obviously chloro is at first before the methyl because of the alphabetical order. Now if we try to classify it, then we can see that it is one vinylic halide. Why? Because there is this group which is CH double bond CH, and this is vinyl halide. So under classification, this comes in the group of vinyl halide or vinylic halide. Now the next one, for this one we can see here is orthobromine and benzene ring C6H4, that means phenyl ring. So we have written benzene, and after that bromine I have written here. So according to bromine, the ortho position will be for this one. So after this, the rest of the molecules comes. Now since halogen is having the higher atomic number, so this carbon will be obviously 1 and this one will be 2. So 1 bromo and 2. But what will be for this whole group? For this group we have to give the numbering once again. So 1, 2 and 3. So for this long chain, that means 3 carbon long chain, it is the side group. So in one carbon there is methyl, so 1 methyl. Since there are 3 carbon, so propyl, and the main chain is benzene, so at last it will be benzene, and all the rules are being followed like hyphen, first bracket and all that. Now if we try to classify this, we can see the halogen is directly bonded to benzene. So this one will be again one example of aryl halide or haloarenes. And the last one of this example is the compound, this one. I have written the structure by showing the bonds also. Now let us see the name. We can see bromine is present here, but double bond is present in this side. So according to priority of double bond is higher, we have to give the numbering from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there will be double bond between 2 and 3 carbon, and we have now only discussed that we have to take the smaller number for denoting the position of the double bond. So here at first 4 bromo, then there is one methyl group which is written as 4 methyl, and then for 5 carbon there is pent, and for the double bond position we have written 2, and for double bond alkene we have written in. So this is the name 4 bromo, 4 methyl, pent 2 in. Now if we want to classify this according to the classifications of haloalkanes and haloarenes, we can see that this compound contains one group such like CH3CH double bond CH. So this will be allylic halide. So these are the nomenclature, and with them the classification of different types of haloalkanes and haloarenes.